Hello and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 10. Would like to present Berjaya Langkawi Resort, Kedah in Malaysia. Before that, I would like to introduce myself and my team members. My name is Saidatul Aisyah binti Samsul Kamal and my team members is Adina binti Syarudin, Muhammad Syafiq bin Muhammad Nisa, Muhammad Alif bin Azhar, Muhammad Fadlan Haraki bin Muhammad Fauzi, Nur Alia binti Abdul Syukur, Nurul Azharina Azfahani binti Muhammad Aris and Suraya binti Ismail. Before I explain about the BMC, let's listen about the Berjaya Langkawi Resort.
Berjaya Langkawi Resort is located at Burau Bay, which is surrounded by 70 acres of land, which offers classic and elegant rooms and suites. Berjaya Langkawi Resorts is one of the sub-companies for Berjaya Hotels and Resorts, which this company is a part of Berjaya Corporation Group of Companies. Berjaya Hotels and Resorts have reached globally, which extends beyond Malaysia's exotic island resorts of Langkawi, which now have been known as Berjaya Langkawi Resort. Berjaya Langkawi Resort have been built on 1993 by the founder of Berjaya Corporation Group of Companies, which is Tan Sri Dato' Sri Vincent Tan Chee Yeong, which he is one of the top 50 richest people in Malaysia and also a successful Malaysian businessman. Berjaya Langkawi have set out their vision and mission, which their vision is that the company aims to be a leading global sustainable hospitality group, while their mission is that they want to encourage collaborative working environment, embrace sustainability to drive innovation, elevate standards of products and services, and lastly, endorse from customers, associated partners and owners. That's it from my part. I will pass to the next presenter.
Now I will explain about the BMC of Berjaya Langkawi Resort. In the BMC, we include the improvement that should be improved in Berjaya Langkawi Resort. There are 9 elements in the business model canvas. First element is key partners. In the key partners of the resort, it should have various partner in the resort to attract more visitor in the resort. The key partner that should be in the resort is restaurant and bars, guest service, government, travel agency to operators and safety security. Secondly is key activities. For the key activities that should be done actively in the resort is marketing, maintenance, platform development, managing visitor and room service. These key activities will help the resort make an improvement. Thirdly, value proposition. Value proposition of resort is luxury, high quality and simple booking process. The booking process should be simple to make it easier for visitor to make a booking on resort. Fourthly, visitor relationship. Visitor relationship that should be improved is customer service, homely atmosphere. It should be focused by different language and cultures. And lastly, the entertainment for the visitor. Next is the visitor segment. The resort should target on group of corporate and business, travelers and families.
Number 6 is channels. Channels like social media, official website, blog, YouTube and word of mouth help the resort to attract the visitor to come and experience the activity in the resort. Next is number 7. Number 7 is key resource. Key resource is the need of the resort in making the improvement in terms of physical and financial. The resort should make over the room and add some facilities to make the visitor comfortable staying in the resort. The resort also need to get some financial resource to add the robotic technology, skilled and knowledgeable staff and improving the interior design in the resort.
Number 8 is revenue streams. Revenue stream in the resort is paying guests, commission from restaurant and handicraft sales. Lastly, cost structure. Cost structure in the resort is salary, maintenance cost, marketing cost, and partner fees. The resort should control and manage well all the costs that have been used in the resorts. After this, my team members will explain about the product and facilities, recreation activities, specialty of the resorts, SWOT analysis, and recommendation for the relevant stakeholders.
As you know, Berjaya Langkawi Resort is one of the best 5-star Langkawi resort. There are many facilities that Berjaya Langkawi Resort offers, such as accommodation, service, recreation, restaurant, and bars. Accommodation, it got 5-star rating from visitor and had 412 rooms and suites. The facility on accommodation by room will be provided like air conditioning, in-room Wi-Fi access, cable TV, and so on.
For recreation activities, the recreation activities section provided by Berjaya Langkawi include leisure activities, extreme activities, and adventure activities. Among the activities provided to fun for visitors during the holiday include a place for children and adults to bathe in the swimming pool. A spa is also available for treatment, and gymnasium for those who like to exercise. For games, there are table tennis, beach volleyball, cycling, children playground, and this resort also sees sport activities. In addition, leisure activities are also available in Berjaya Langkawi, such as batik painting, fishing, round island tour, and enjoying the sunset mangrove, also night safari tours. Adventure activities such as ATV is quite bike, island hopping by jet ski, jungle trekking, go-kart, marine park, snorkeling, zip line, and scuba diving.
Now,
For
I'd like
example,
to talk about the Berjaya Langkawi Resort specialties. There are certain benefits provided at the Berjaya Langkawi Resort. They are not accessible at the other resort. The wedding package are divided into two categories, such as Leisuring Wedding Package and Traditional Malay Wedding Package. This package is difficult to find in close proximity to the other resort. This is due to the fact that they are provided this package to make it simpler for guests to celebrate weddings and vacation for a honeymoon. Then, the Berjaya Langkawi Resort is special in that it serves as a gathering place. As a result, many guests come to the Berjaya Langkawi Resort for business purpose. This can entice people to attend meetings, seminars, or the other events.
Next is SWOT analysis. SWOT is stand for strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat. So first, strength for Berjaya Langkawi Resort is well-known resort. Berjaya Langkawi is one of the popular luxury and most recommended resort in Langkawi. The founder is Tan Sri Vincent Tan, who is a successful businessman and investor in Malaysia. This resort also was established for more than 10 years and being well-known resort in this industry. Another strength for this resort is good reputation. Good reputation is needed for this resort, especially in this industry. This resort also won several awards, such as won a Guest Review Award for being recognized in 2015 and Guest Award based on verified Guest Review in 2020. Next is weaknesses for this resort is uncomfortable environment. The environment is uncomfortable because there is noisy pollution such as car, motorbike, and others in the resort area. This noisy pollution also made the visitor feel uncomfortable. Another weakness is high pricing. The high price also made this resort lose because no visitor are willing to pay the room even for one night. Further opportunity for Berjaya Langkawi Resort is expanding the number of the branch. This resort has an opportunity to open other branch in other strategic locations. This is because the resort has a good potential to grow since there are many interesting activities. Another opportunity is improved development service team. Good training on staff service also make the visitor feel comfortable and happy to vacation at this resort. Lastly is the threat for Berjaya Langkawi Resort is uncontrollable weather condition. This is because the weather play an important role to do some activities such as swimming, playing ATV, diving and jungle trekking need a good weather. However, uncontrollable weather condition can cause this affected the all activity. Next is every business has the same competitor and customer segment. The competitor also could be offering the same product and service that make this resort redundant and being one of the threat for Berjaya Langkawi Resort.
I will present about recommendation for the relevant stakeholder. First, employers practice recommendation for Langkawi Berjaya Resort. An example for social sustainability is higher priorities, and there are many good practices, especially to employers. Second, customer practice recommendation at Langkawi Berjaya Resort for customer are always right. Third, supplier practice recommendation to make it clear that strong supplier change reliability is essential. And 5, operation practice recommendation to track the progress of sustainability practice to encourage continuation with open discussion with client and employers moving forward. For suggest formalized operation channel. And 6, communication practice recommendation can be implemented at Berjaya Resort Langkawi to ensure the relationship between resort and stakeholder is always together. And 7, financial practice recommendation to stakeholder to assess the level of condition at Berjaya Resort. And last, performance standard practice can be used as a recommendation to stakeholder in adapting to the mission goals and vision of Berjaya Resort.
That's all from us. Thank you.